Back to Product Zone. Today we're gonna unbox and build and test out this beautiful, amazing sandbox. Bring the beach right to your home. It's nicely wrapped and protected. That's how everything looks. It's like a dark brown color. Everything is pre-drilled. Have all your hardware in here, and everything is labeled, so shouldn't be hard to put together. It's a beautiful wooden sandbox. Amazing. Did not took me forever to put together. It was pretty easy. Everything was simple, made really well. And you could see right here, this bench right here could hold up to 300 pounds. So this could fit about 2 to 4 kids. And in here, you open it up, it's storage. You could use it as storage, and both of them open up. They send you that weed barrier stuff. You're gonna be putting that down before putting your sand. 55 inches by 44 inches, and as I said, 300 pounds. It holds about 2 to 4 kids in here. I'm gonna fill this up with sand, and I'm gonna show you guys after. You could put this on the back patio. You could put it on the grass once you put that thing down. You could put it in the playground. Listen, this was made really well overall. So the kids could put their sand in here, and when they open this up, it will come here, and I'll show you guys come right down. So these are all wood. And you could do the same thing on that side, so both kids could be playing. It's really overall a great quality, really nice. I love it. You could put it anywhere. We're gonna put it on the back patio, and I'm gonna show you guys. For price and details, check in the description box. It's definitely pretty cool. Make sure you find a permanent location, a good location where you're not gonna move, because once you start adding sand, this is not something you're gonna be moving easy. And you see I put the weed barrier down at the bottom, so the sand will stay there and not gonna go. So you pretty much could put this anywhere you want once you put that. The extra, you could fold it or you could cut it out. Time to load this up with some sand. I think I'm gonna buy a lot more bags of sand. I think I put in about 3 50-pound bags, and it's not much. We're gonna need a lot more sand than that, but look at that. Looks pretty cool. They're having a fun time here filling up with sand. And let's see. Open it up, let's see. We open up the bottom. Oh! Oh! The kids are having fun. Amazing sandbox right here. Go ahead, open it up. All the sand just keeps coming out. Oh! Oh, falls right back in. The kids are having a fun time. This is good quality. Holds up to 300 pounds. These are awesome storage right here too, so the kids could store stuff inside. Bring the beach right in your backyard.